In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize charts in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your data into clean, easy-to-understand visuals that make project updates and reports stand out. Whether you're managing tasks, tracking progress, or simply want your numbers to tell a clear story, this walkthrough has you covered. Start inside your Smartsheet workspace and open the sheet that contains the data you want to chart. In the top left, click the button labeled Add to Workspace. This step sets up the space for your dashboard, which is where your charts will live and update. After that, choose Dashboard and click Get Started. You've just created a fresh dashboard. Think of it as a blank canvas where you can assemble charts, widgets, and reports into one shareable, presentation-ready view. Inside your new dashboard, look for the toolbar or panel and select the Widget tab. Choose Chart. This is where your visual takes shape, turning raw numbers into patterns and trends you can read at a glance. Next, click Add Data. Smartsheet will prompt you to pick the data source. Select the sheet where your information lives, then click OK. If you have a lot of sheets, use the search bar or scroll until you find the right one. When the sheet opens, select the specific data you want to visualize by clicking and dragging across the relevant rows and columns. For example, if you're charting monthly performance, highlight the months and their corresponding values. If you grab a little extra, no problem, you can refine it later. Click OK to confirm. If your data set is large, give it a moment to load. Now choose your chart type. Smartsheet offers bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Pick the format that best supports your message. Bars for easy comparisons, lines for trends over time, and pies to show how a whole breaks into parts. As you click through options, the preview updates instantly, so feel free to try a couple and see what fits best. When you're happy with the look and the data selection, click Save. Congratulations, you've created your first Smartsheet chart. From here on out, the dashboard will update automatically as your underlying data changes, making it effortless to keep your team and stakeholders aligned with up-to-the-minute visuals. And that's it. A clear, visual dashboard powered by your own data inside Smartsheet. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides. If you have questions or want advice on choosing the right chart type for your scenario, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.